Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are making a Victoria sandwich. You will need: for eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for the sponge and 1 teaspoon for the buttercream, 225 grams of self-raising flour, 225 grams of caster sugar, 225 grams of butter for the sponge and 100 grams for buttercream and 20 grams for greasing tins, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 200 grams of icing sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, 200 grams of strawberry or raspberry jam. Cooking method: grease 2 8-inch 20 cm baking tins. To make the base liners for tins, get a piece of parchment paper that is larger than your base. Fold the parchment paper in half, then half again. Then fold it into a triangle and fold it in half again. Then measure it from the center of the cake tin base to the edge and cut the extra off with scissors. Then unfold and you have a base liner. Add the cake bottom liners you made to the tins. Add 225 grams of cubed butter to a mixer's bowl or a large mixing bowl if you're going to use a hand mixer. Beat the butter. Add 225 grams of caster sugar to the butter and beat together. Break in 4 eggs. Add 225 grams of self-raising flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat all those ingredients together. Preheat an oven to 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven or 160 degrees Celsius fan oven. Divide the mixture evenly between the 2 tins. Use a spatula to remove all the mixture from the bowl and gently smooth the surface of the cakes. I'm only using a larger sided cake tin for the second one as that is all I have to hand. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes. Remove from the oven and leave in the tins for 5 minutes. Carefully turn the cakes out onto a cooling rack to cool completely. While the sponges are cooling, add 100 grams of cubed butter to a mixer and beat until smooth. Add half of 200 grams of icing sugar to the butter and beat until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 tablespoon of milk and the rest of the icing sugar. Beat the mixture until creamy and smooth. Cut the top off the sponge you are using for the bottom to make it flat. Cover the top of that sponge with 200 grams of strawberry or raspberry jam. Here I'm using strawberry jam, but I prefer raspberry jam. With the other sponge, turn it over and spread on the buttercream. Place on top of the jam sponge. Add 1 tablespoon of icing sugar through a sieve to the top of the cake. Add to an airtight container. A tip is to place it on the lid so it's easier to cut a slice then put it back. My Victoria sandwich.